So we decided to go with this building just because I think post-COVID more people are working from home. You know, you need, whereas before a home office in the spare bedroom was fine and you could share it. It just didn't give us enough space anymore. So we really wanted to make the most of the garden, create a space that was quite versatile, so we could also have people come and stay in it as well, whilst also giving us separate, more dedicated spaces to work. So yeah, and it just helps us make use of the lovely outdoor space as well. I would highly recommend the new home improvement company, just because, like I said, the communication was so easy, the build was actually really quick. They helped us with the planning permission as well, so we live in a Grade 2 listed house and a conservation area, so that could have also been quite tricky, but they dealt with all of that for us. So start to finish, it was easy, it was quick. We had an extra idea that we added halfway through, which they were happy to accommodate. Yeah, definitely would recommend to friends. Nowhere near as stressful or anything like that as I've heard other people experience as being, so super smooth the whole way.